Hello everyone, welcome back to iCAD. In today's tutorial, we'll be designing this drawing. It's a symmetrical drawing. There are some simple features which you can use to create this. There's simple cut, simple extrusion. So without further ado, let's get started. For this model, first I'll take front plane to draw the base sketch. Line, the height is 14 mm. Wait, actually, instead of taking the front plane, I'll first take the right plane. Sketch, line, this is 14, this is 20, and there is a draft. Okay, now I'll start giving dimensions. Before that, this line should be horizontal, so I'll just give that relation. This should be 40 mm, and this dimension is 5 mm. So now our draft is set. We don't need the draft angle here. Let's extrude this for 30 mm. I'll choose mid plane because it's always better to go with mid plane when it's symmetrical. Done. Next is now what I'll do is I'll select the right plane again and sketch the top part that we see. This line is 40 minus 14 mm. This is 10. And the radius is 20. And the line, and close this profile. Make sure this line is vertically aligned. Make vertical. Done. Let's extrude this for 20 mm, not from mid plane. This time it's only blind on the other side, 20 mm. Done. There's also a cut. Okay, I will take the top plane and sketch that cut. That cut is starting from here. It's 15 mm here. 15, and this is 10. I'm not going to cut this from the cut plane because in the drawing it's clear that it's starting from this particular point. So what I'll do is I'll change the from sketch plane to vertex. So I'll select this particular vertex and through all is fine for the direction, and we're done. Now we have the cut, and there are two more steps. I'll go to top plane again. There is one more cut over here, so instead of a corner rectangle, I'll take center rectangle and I'll give the dimensions here. This is 10, but since it's a center rectangle, I need to give it 20 so that the center distance is set to 10, and the width is 14. Now it's done. Go to features, extrude cut through all. The last step is, again, I'll go to the top plane. It's a very simple one, and all I need to do is, okay, since it's a symmetrical model which I'm gonna mirror later, I need to keep it in mind that I have to do everything as a half model, not as a full model. This is 25 mm. Now there's an arc. The arc is 15 mm radius. Done. And now close the profile. This line should be horizontal, and now everything is set. We need one more thing, that is this center circle of diameter 14 mm. Okay, now I'm gonna trim the things that are not necessary. Okay, now that I've trimmed, I'll go to features and I'll extrude it. We need to extrude it only for 10 mm. Okay, now we're done. Now we're all done with the model, but except for one thing, that is mirroring it. So I'll click mirror and select the plane. Now instead of the feature to mirror option, you need to go to body to mirror, because we want the entire body to be mirrored. Select the body and make sure this option is ticked in, the merge solid. We don't need the knit surface because this is not a surface model. And if you go to full preview, you'll see the entire preview of your model. Click OK. Now the model is ready.